Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Hunk Deals 3D Pen 2. There's an image of the 3D pen right over here. This is basically a very compact 3D printing machine. The idea is that you can make a design on a flat surface, horizontally and vertically, and also in the air when you lift it like so while pressing the button on the sides. I'll tell you in details how it's done. This particular 3D pen is made out of ABS plastic. It has a nozzle diameter of 0.7 millimeters and a plastic feeding nozzle of 1.75 diameters. I'll show you all of these components. That's all the information more or less on the box. Let's open this and show you what's inside. So there you go. These are the components of the box. We have operation instructions for the 3D Pen 2. Everything that you need to know, how to set up, how to use, etc. is all given over here. This is a stand for the 3D pen, so you can rest this pen like so when it's not in use. It's a nice addition. We also have a power adapter for this 3D pen. This is what you will use to charge this device. This packet has a bunch of plastic tubes. So this is basically the material that you will do the different kind of 3D printing that you can with this particular pen. So the idea is that you feed these plastic tubes through the pen and it comes out on the other side as molten plastic, and then you make your design. And speaking of the 3D printing, this is the 3D pen that you use to do your designs, your 3D designs. It comes with a lot of features actually. By the way, it's made out of ABS plastic, very light but solid ABS plastic. This is the yellow variant. There's an LCD display monitor over here along with speed button on this side, and these are the buttons that you'll use to basically release or retract the amount of material coming out of the nozzle over here. Speaking of the nozzle, this is your 0.7 millimeter nozzle, and on this end over here you'll find the power port. 1.75 millimeter nozzle over here. This is the one that you will put these plastic tubes through to feed them. So the idea is that you feed them, and once it's charged, it will start heating the plastic tubes, and the molten plastic material will come out of this nozzle over here. At that point, you start doing your design on a surface, and as I mentioned earlier, you can go horizontally and vertically on a flat surface, and then you can go up in the z-axis as well and continue doing your design in air. The plastic will solidify fast enough for this structure to hold up in air. I can't show this because it takes a long time to heat these plastic materials. I don't have that kind of time. Don't take that part. Okay. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing Hunk Deals 3D Pen 2. Thank you for watching.